Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I just wanted to throw a video out there. I know it's fast, I know it's not long, but I just wanted to let you guys know that the video, the video of the 100 subscriber giveaway is going to be up this week. So I just wanted to let you guys know, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, you guys. I just did this case and it came out really, really cute, of course. So yeah, sit back and watch me work. Okay, everyone, I am completely finished with the case. All I have to do is pull back the paper, the film off of that, and off of my, of course, my name. And there we have it. It is completely finished. I just got to go around and, remove some of the remaining glue that's got stuck on the pieces, and then I'm finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, you guys. Thanks to my 100+ subscribers. Let's try to get to 500 now. Thanks again, you guys.